looking forward. It's giving them our ideas in terms of what we see coming down the track, what they need to react to, the kind of issues that are going to be affecting their potential occupiers. So you're better placed to develop properties in the right locations for the right specifications to react to that demand.
It allowed us to then look at how society is changing and how logistics needs to change with society to mirror what that demand is going to look like.
Getting this balance between change, cost and profit and underpin sustainability, I think, is going to be a challenge for the next 3 to 5 years.
The takeaway for me was the amount of tension that we have in the market and the amount of opportunity for change. Yeah, ultimately, we're at an inflection point.
We're forward thinking and that hopefully we're ahead of the pack.